Did you know your body can forget 10,000 hours of training overnight? Ella woke up and something felt wrong before she even touched her bow. Not broken wrong, just different. Like someone had been living inside her hands while she slept. She nocked an arrow the way she had done maybe 1,000,000 times, but her draw felt foreign. Her anchor point had shifted. Her release was something she had never been taught, so she shot anyway. The arrow did something arrows are not supposed to do. She shot again. Same result. Her Olympic coaches would have called it physically impossible, the kind of shot that breaks the math of the sport. Here is what makes this terrifying in a way no monster ever could. A creature can chase you. A trap can catch you. But when the world reaches inside your own muscle memory and rewrites it without asking, you have lost something that took your entire life to build. Your body was the one thing that was always yours. Now even that belongs to somewhere else.